Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step fix Zarchiver access denied error. So basically, if you see this when you open your Zarchiver and not this one right here, so there's something wrong with that. The first thing you should do here is to exit your Zarchiver first, and then you have to go to your phone settings. You just have to swipe down and look for that gear icon. Now you have to scroll down here. If you're using Android, you have to look for app management. Scroll down, tap app management, click app list, and then type here Zarchiver. Or you can also scroll down or top letter Z, and it will take you directly to Zarchiver application. So once you found this Zarchiver here, you have to tap this and then go to storage usage. Tap this one, you can clear cache, and then after that, go to permission. Now, the reason why it is denied, it's because you haven't allowed the permission for storage. So in case that it's under denied, you have to click this, tap allow, and you should see that storage under allowed here. Now go back to your Zarchiver and see if this method works. If not, then there's another method for this. You can simply go to Google web browser, or you can go to Play Store, App Store, and then you have to look for file manager or file folder or files. You have to download this application. For example, this one, file manager, install this. And then once done, you can now open this file manager or folder. And then you have to locate Android and then look for data. You will see there that if data cannot be opened on your Zarchiver, it can be opened if you launch or install this files or file manager or folder. So as you can see, I'm now in my file manager. I will go to my phone storage and then I look for Android and look for data. Files here are readable. So I hope this video helped you. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.